Check out this 2020 Ford F-250. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, trip computer, steering wheel controls, power windows, bucket seats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.